Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, make two braids and do it as shown in the video. Now make two ponytails out of it and it is all done. It is cute, right? For the next one, make three sections on each side. Now take the middle one and start making it into the bun with the help of a bun stick. Do it all together and cover it with your hairs and attach it very nicely. Now take the remaining hairs, braid it nicely and it's all done. For the next one, make two ponytails and then pull it inside out. Now make two braids out of it. Now take the smaller sections and start attaching it with the help of a rubber band and it's all done. For the next one in the video, take the half section of your hair and attach a bow to it. Now with the help of a bow, start braiding your hairs and attach it to the ponytails. Now do it as shown in the video and it is all done. For the next one in the video, make 5 sections out of your hairs. Now start taking each section and cover the other section with your hairs. Now pull out the strings of your hairs and then take the remaining hairs. It's all done. For the next one, take a ponytail and then make it into two sections. Make a cute little bow out of it with the help of a rubber band and then take the remaining hairs, make braid out of it. For the next one, take the front one and make two sections out of it and braid it nicely. Now take the remaining hairs and take the smaller sections from the remaining hairs and start braiding your hairs very nicely and gently till the bottom. Repeat the whole process until it comes to the bottom and tie it with the help of a rubber band. Do it on both the sides and do it as shown in the video and it's all done. For the next one in the video, make a ponytail and then attach a bow to it. Now with the help of a bow, start braiding your hair nicely till the bottom and then complete it. It's done. Thanks for watching.